Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, great device, it's OPPO A57s device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. First, let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it, so this is either because the phone is not powerful enough or because you are not taking good care of it. You should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic, and not every phone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use. But despite the above, if you will follow the instructions I'm about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition, so that it works at its best. The first aspect that can slow down your device is onboard memory. The onboard memory of device is a limited resource, so often the winners is the one who invests in a device with more built-in memory, and the whole point is that devices with full built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70% full. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up your memory. In order to free up your memory, you can remove unused apps or remove photos and videos. I suggest you upload your photos and videos from your gallery to your cloud storage. You can use free cloud storages or you can pay for it. For example, every cloud storage gives you 3 gigabytes. For example, Google Photos gives you 15 gigabytes for free. As you can see, wait a while. As you can see, I have no free space enough. I have 14 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes used, and if you will upload your photos and videos from your device to your Google Drive, you can click on free up space. I have nothing to free up now, but if you will upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage, you can free up the space on your device, and all your photos and videos will be deleted from Photos application, but it will still available in Google Photos application. Okay, so if you want to remove applications, I suggest to use just settings application. So open your settings, open apps, choose app management, and here we have the list of all our applications. But for example, here we have Smart Launcher, and I want to check how much space this application used. So open Smart Launcher in settings, and here we have that this application using 31.5 megabytes. So if this device okay, as you can see, 29 megabytes it using only app using, and 1 and 6 megabytes it's just data. We can clear data. We can always clear data to free up data, but if you want to clear cache, you can clear cache, and if you want to remove this application temporarily from your device, you can just click uninstall and uninstall, and great. This application was successfully removed from our device. Okay. And the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM, and all the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again the winner is the one who bought the device with more temporary storage, and the RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications or by disabling the background work of the applications. In order to unload memory of running applications, just click on heuristics button, or if you are using gestures, just make this just to open the RAM memory running apps. Here just click close all or just close unused applications, and as you can see I have freed up 184 megabytes from my RAM. It's too many space. So great. And the last aspect, the third aspect that can slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. So, as you know, applications in the Android operation system literally leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program which will detect these files. I advise you use Deep Cleaner app, but at last times Deep Cleaner is not working. I don't know why. So just try to find it. As you can see, we have no Deep Cleaner application. It was removed maybe, I don't know. I don't know why. So this Deep Cleaner application is a scam with ads, so I don't recommend you use it. So I don't know why Deep Cleaner was removed from Play Store, but you can use any other application. So you can use C Cleaner or AVG Cleaner, you can use Norton Clean. So just find free cleaner applications. You can use CDMate, it's really great tool, but you need to pay for it if you want to use additional features, but we don't need additional features. It's a really great app. Why? Because it is not running in background and it does not use your RAM. So open CDMate, click scan, click next, hello, hello, next, hello, hello, go back, next. System window doesn't always open, of course, secondary space, I don't know what you want, so open CDMate again, scan, next, click on it, click use this folder, click hello, and click next. Great. Now click hello, wait a while, find here CDMate and click hello, go back, click done, and great. It's really great app to deep clean your device. It's really great app to find junk data. For example, we need system cleaner now, so just click on this button to empty directories. As you can see, we have free up 39 kilobytes, but we can use App Cleaner, and you need to buy CDMate Pro to use it. So just try applications for clean your device. We can try together. For example, if you want to clean your device for free, of course you can use Fancy Cleaner, but this app has ads, so we need to try it. Wait a while. So we will try. Any application can erase junk files from your device, but click Start to Use. Wait a while. Click Start to Use. Click Cancel. And now just click Junk Kill. We need only this feature. So click go back. Okay, we have ads now. So we need to use this application only once a week. So as you can see here, we have 2 gigabytes just junk files. For example, if you will delete any application from your device, it will leave a lot of files on your device after deleting. So we need this app to remove these files. So just click Clean 2 gigabytes, click Clear, wait a while, and great, we have free up 2 gigabytes of space on our device. You need to make this action only once a week, and you will always have space. You will always have free space in your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.